Hello, welcome to Nocti by j.N.S, and today we are continuing with the Black American series, and this video is part 5 of the series. And today we are going to cover the Ku Klux Klan, which was started in 1865 and is currently in existence to this day. So let's begin. With limited economic power, free Black Americans understood the importance of gaining political power and representation. During Reconstruction, Black men rushed to the polls to exercise their new voting rights, supporting the Republican Party and gaining congressional representation in districts throughout the South. In response, Southern states implemented new state laws to restrict Black voters. These laws gave polling stations the agency to administer literacy tests and poll taxes to prospective voters. Because slaves had not been allowed to learn to read or earn income, these tests and taxes became effective tools to basically block the Black vote. So voting rights were also obstructed by the Ku Klux Klan, which was organized in 1865 to regain white supremacy in the South. A major goal of the KKK was to secure congressional control for the Southern Democrats, many of whom were Confederate veterans. The group spread quickly, using violence to intimidate newly freed Black Americans and enforce adherence to the Black Code. Public lynchings was a prime example of this extreme violence. Black American community was terrorized and punished, and there were more than 4,700 lynchings, which are documented between 1882 and 1964. In 2017, members of the KKK, alongside other white supremacist groups, held a gathering known as the Unite the Right Rally in Charlottesville, Virginia, to oppose the removal of a statue of Robert E. Lee, which is a Confederate Army general. So this stream of consciousness is still present today, and it is still going on. The lynchings, the Ku Klux Klan, they're still obviously in operation, and the lynchings now take a more sinister form and is not the typical hanging, but various other mechanisms to which deputized state violence is enacted upon Black Americans to this day. So part 5 just covers the Ku Klux Klan, and these are very short synapses into the history of the Black American, but it's important to know the dates. So remember, this started in 1865 and is still going on currently. And we'll be back with part 6, which will cover Jim Crow. And we're going through the history, and the history is a bleak one. Is not a walk in the park. It's not the grandest story that makes you feel a sense of joy. So you will feel somber as we going through these series, but we will get to the contributions and the beauty and everything that the Black American has invented and constructed and contributed to all aspects of human life. So we will get there, but we're going to go through the history, then we're going to go through the philosophy, the contributions, and everything about this group. So stay tuned and don't tune out just because of some parts of the history is dark. So I'm going to talk to y'all later. Bye.